Although part of the performance management process is related to disciplinary procedures, employers should not merge, conflate, or confuse the two concepts. Performance management addresses poor employee performance of failing to meet the essential requirements of the job due to a lack of skills where the employee fails to hit key performance indicators, KPIs. In that case, an employer may consider placing the employee on a performance improvement plan. As part of a fair process, the employer should identify the issues and where skills are lacking, inform the employee, and provide training where appropriate, implementing a plan of action to address the performance issues, allowing the employee to improve to the required standard. Discipline is a performance management tool that modifies employee behavior through negative consequences. These actions are usually taken to address misconduct, which is unacceptable behavior in the workplace that is contrary to the employment contract or breaches the policies and procedures of a company. Examples include unauthorized absences to include sickness, lateness, foul language, poor presentation, and misuse of company equipment. Serious misconduct is willful and deliberate behavior that is inconsistent with the continuation of the employment contract or causes a serious and imminent risk to the business reputation, viability, or profitability, or the health and safety of a person. Examples include theft, fraud, assault, intoxication at work, or failure to follow a lawful and reasonable instruction in keeping with the employee's employment contract. If the misconduct is deemed severe enough, even for a first offense, if substantiated, the employee may be dismissed without notice or paid in lieu of notice, meaning they may suffer a summary dismissal where they must immediately leave the workplace. A fair process still needs to be followed before an immediate dismissal. HR is responsible for creating the discipline policy, communicating the code of conduct, and ensuring policy administration doesn't violate the law. Performance management should only address the job requirements, not behavior in the workplace. It must be clear that misconduct is not poor performance.